Play Africa started this program called Heal and Connect to support parents and children during the pandemic. At the core of this program, Play Africa wanted to help bridge the human divide that the pandemic has caused. And we looked at the psychosocial first aid elements using low-cost technology by doing one-on-one phone calls with the parents, finding out how they are coping, what their challenges are, and what they are facing at this time, and also inviting them to our workshops and sessions that we are running.
Sometimes you wake up and you feel like, I don't want to wake up today. This is hard. I can't do this. And so the lockdown just seems feeling like, you know.
And sometimes you have suicidal thoughts.
Sometimes already suicidal thoughts. That is very, very true. And that has happened a lot.
The first objective of the program is to build awareness of COVID-19 and mental health, looking at the promotion of self-care strategies and normalizing information about stress, fear, and anxiety in both adults and children. The second objective is to help community partners and schools to support children's healing and recovery from lockdown. And the third objective is to support caregivers to help children's healing as they respond to the chronic stress brought on by the pandemic.
Because at time when we're around children, we automatically just want to teach them, we want to educate them immediately. So now that's where the teaching of presence come in. Because if a child or anyone shares that, hey, I'm not okay, instead of trying to change that situation, it's required to be more willing and open to accept how they are feeling in that moment.
While most of the program used accessible technology to reach parents at home, some parents preferred to attend our support groups in person. Some of the support groups, including amongst others, are self-care for parents, disability sensitization, and play workshops. Our workshops are run by external and internal facilitators. So in the self-care session, it's all about the parents. We know that during the pandemic, the parents have been focusing on their families and children, and these sessions focus more on mindfulness where they take care of themselves.
How are you feeling?
Feeling excited, emotional, and calm at the same time.
Okay, lovely.
This thing of whereby we have to check in with ourselves, it helped because I don't check in with myself. I can't even check in with my little girl. You know, some things I cannot deal with on my own. So being here really helped me a lot.
Ukuthi ngingacabangela abanye abantu, I have to think ngami qala before other people.
Nge-experience esitholile ukuthi umzali communicate nomntwana hayi ukuthi nje kuphela nje ukuthi kumele ukhulume nokudlala futhi ungakhona ukudlala ukuthi ucommunicate nomntwana.
The disability sensitization workshop was for parents to learn more on what the families for parents or children living with disabilities need and the kind of support and the languaging around disabilities. At the play workshops, parents get to engage and know what is in the play parcels, which is what they get at the end of the play workshop. And in the play parcel, they find 3 sets of 6 bricks and other information on how they can engage with their children.
Okay, so this is the memory game. Now you must look at what I did and build exactly that. 3, 2, 1.
I didn't know there's this kind of game to encourage the kids to learn, to play. Very funny when I look at it first, but mathematically, it teaches the kids how to calculate, how to play, and how to relax your mind.
In addition to the psychosocial element of the program, we as Play Africa understand that families have been deeply affected by the pandemic. Many families have lost their jobs and also their income. And to help these communities, we received donations from various organizations to purchase food parcels, which we distributed to the families.
Let's look into each other's eyes silently, and let's not
The impact of the program over the past 7 months has been positive. During the follow-up telephone calls, parents have said that they are grateful to Play Africa for being there for them and also being a shoulder to cry on. The testimonials we as Play Africa received from the parents has deeply impacted us. The team and I, we are humbled to provide this type of support to the families.